Hi everybody, this is the website boy again with another great tutorial, and this is number 9. Today we're going to be talking about nesting. And now you might be wondering, what the heck is nesting, website boy? Now where are you coming up with these things? No, it is very true, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, it's very simple, but I want you to know it because I want you to become an expert. All right, and don't get lazy watching the videos. Watch it every day. Create a shortcut on your desktop to my website and watch those videos every day. You will become an expert. I'm gonna be making the most videos in the world for Bootstrap. So keep tuned. For those of you that don't know how to navigate my course, this is how you do it. Subscribe right now because you're gonna be missing out if you don't. So hit that subscribe right there. All right. For those of you that want to do everything like me, I don't blame you. Do it. Install Sublime Text. Install the ML plugin so you can write fast, like Flash, and install Notepad++. Actually, you don't have to install both. All right. If you already have a software expiration for Sublime Text for the 30 days trial that they got, if it already expired, download Notepad++. It's free for Windows, and is Text Wrangler is also free and is for Mac users. So you can follow along and do everything just fine with any co-editor actually. So anyways, for those of you that forget to like it, guys, please do not. Right here is a big arrow right here telling you to hit that thumbs up. All right, don't forget because that helps me out. Every time somebody likes my video, it boosts me up to make more videos. And it's really hard to wake up every day wanting to do videos. All right, it's really hard because sometimes I just wake up and don't want to do anything. But when I see like 2 or 3 people like my videos, it boosts me up. It gets me like Superman energy, and I can make more videos for you guys. All right, so don't forget, download the exercise files at my website, thewebsiteboy.com/snippets. All right, there you got two options. You can download or you can copy and paste it. All right, if I feel lazy, I might not put the code, and you just got to download it there. All right, so depends on the day, depends how many likes I get. For those of you that like my video, guys, thank you so much. You are my fuel, you are my battery for this. All right, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. My family thanks you. All right, let's get to it and let's show you how to do some really good bootstrap, all right, with nesting. Last tutorial that we did was about moving, creating, doing offset. All right, so let me just show you real quick, go over a little bit real quick before we start the next this tutorial. We've created a content to the right, to the left, a sidebar, and we put some offset right here in between. So we created some space there. If you haven't watched that video, go back and do it. Now, what I want to do with this page is I want to create 4 little boxes down here. All right, and just to show you how to use nesting. All right, but we're gonna be doing a lot more with this page, so keep tuned for that. Let's open our code editors, and I said it right this time. I usually make a mistake and say something else. Text editor. That's what I usually say. So anyway, so let's go ahead and open a code editor. I almost said it again. Let's drag the services HTML in there. All right, let's just minimize this stuff and minimize this. We don't need it right now. Actually, we do need the browser so you can see it. All right, so let's just. All right, so how are we gonna create those little boxes? All right, let's do that. Let's create those little boxes right here. Let's create a div with a class of row. All right, so we can divide our content, and let's do a div with a, let's, how big do we want to make this uh, boxes? Let's call a medium 3, so that way we can have 4 of this. 3 times 4 is 12. And then when we get to a certain size of the browser, well, let's call another grid for extra small, because I want these boxes to be very small. So extra small 6. All right, and inside these little boxes I'm going to create a heading there, and let's call this red purses. And I also want some a paragraph, some text in here. Corin, who's Corin? Right, so we got a row, right, to make our 4 boxes, and then we have the little box right here with a call MD. I don't know what's going on. I guess the drinking too much beer is not good for health. Anyway, I'm kidding, I don't drink. So call medium 3. All right, and then we're just gonna make a copy of this, and let's do this four times. All right, so let's go back here and let's just refresh, and we can see that we have four little boxes here. Now, this doesn't look right to me because I have this box here is in between the sidebar. I don't want nothing below the sidebar. I want the sidebar just to be the sidebar, and I want the content just to be the content. So we need to put this on the right here. And this is how I'm going to show you how to do nesting. Let's go back to a browser. And now, if you don't know what I did here with these two classes here, remember we're calling media queries. So we have these little boxes here. Let's do inspect element. And you can see right now they are in the medium grid, which is 25%. All right. And when they get to a certain point, 992, then they do something, right? But we also have the small one. On the small one, we have these little boxes being just small. And I'll show you right now. Inspect element, and we can tell that they are 50%. So 50% and 50% is 100%. They're gonna go ahead and be like this. And then if we make it larger, of course they're going to change, as you saw that, right? So let's put this in the other side. Let's do nesting. So now we grab our boxes there. Now we can do a lot of things with this, but I prefer to do it this way. All right, let's just take this whole row and take it off. Completely take it off. Actually, this is part of the row right here. Let's take this off. And we're going to put it right here on this inside this article. Let's just and then save it and then refresh. And as you can see here, now our content is on the right and is right where it has to be. It looks a lot better than having all this messing around with a sidebar. And then if we minimize it, then don't worry about this. You're gonna see probably some boxes that are not gonna be behaving like we want to, but we're gonna fix that in later tutorials. But these boxes are doing good things right now. It's looking a lot better than what it was before. So right there, you see that looking beautiful. So anyway, keep tuned, guys and ladies. This is gonna get a little bit more advanced later on. I'm gonna be making advanced Bootstrap tutorials. I'm gonna show you a lot more than what we're looking at right now. I'm gonna mix Bootstrap with PHP so you can learn some little PHP and organize your website a lot better. Right now we're just making, every time we want a page, we're just doing save as. Okay, I'm going to show you a better way how to organize our content using PHP for some of you that don't know how to do that. We're going to be using a lot of Bootstrap, and we're going to be learning a lot more. All right, so keep tuned, keep liking the video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.